Yes, I believe we are. Okay, there we go. Well, at least this time it's not like doing the ad thing where it, like getting crazy with the ads right at the beginning, so bonus points for that. Right. Let's start with the let's just get that out of the way. That way it's not as bad, I guess. All right, we're back. No more ads for an hour. So I guess we got that going for us. Let's get this stuff going. What's it? Yeah. So here's one thing I wanted to do first, just so that it gets out of the way. The game log is way too big. I don't exactly remember the sizing of this, but if I do remember this correctly, each entry this line is like 23. Is it 23? I don't remember exactly. I guess I'll have to check. Guess I can just find out. Oh, it's 12. Okay. Yeah, because I changed the yeah, so that's why it's 20. That makes sense. That's why I can render 20 lines. All right. But I am changing this, aren't I? The whole scrolling thing? Ah, here it is. Step. And get line height. So, let me just... So instead... Yeah, this thing over here, this vertical custom step, should change over when the game is running. God, the game looks so... The window looks so huge. Hi, TVD! Welcome, welcome! Doing good, doing good. Just started. We're changing a few things because like the game is like super big on screen now, so people can see, but now like the lock screen is in the way. So we're fixing just that little tiny thing before we get going. How's it going on your end? Finished the stream a little while ago, but you're probably still working, I assume. Oh, I closed it. Unfortunately, work must be done. Yeah. Feel you on that one. Okay, yeah. I wanted to go over to remote, to our game log. Right? Game log. So we want to go over here. Oh, so the custom step is still 23. Interesting. Should it be? Okay, let's get a bunch of lines on this. It seems to be scrolling well. Oh, unless, hold on. Because I do remember. Yeah, here it is. Ah, so custom step is different than step? My day job right now is PHP and MySQL, far less fun than .NET stuff. Yeah, I assume. I assume it's far less exciting. But yeah, like you said, stuff needs to get done. So wait a minute, what is the difference between step and custom step? That's what I'm at. Okay. Override step when clicking increment and decrement buttons or when using arrow keys when the scroll bar. Oh, so wait a minute. If I go here and I click on, well, I assume it's not working because I don't have anything like set up for those keys, but I probably should keep that consistent, huh? Yeah, I probably should. But anyway. Okay. Let's just change that. Cause like custom step, here it is. Interesting. I mean, I guess I'll just make it the same. And see what happens. I don't think it's gonna have a very big impact, but and this is all fluff anyway. Okay. It's still good. Like the arrow keys are probably not doing anything because like I haven't set it up for them, but okay, so now step is the same as custom step, so I guess that'll do. I just need to make this smaller now because this is occupying way too much space on the screen. So yeah, because this was like when I had like big letters and now I have small lettering, so let's make this a little smaller. Okay, so each line is 12 in height. And I need 8 pixels. So this is gonna be 128. And yeah, it does that. Hold on. Okay. Are you correct? Yes, you are. Okay, good. So 10 lines should be more than enough. Check the logs, and that way we can see a little bit more of the screen. Hey, there it is. Okay. I need to adjust the camera though. Oh, but combat can be kind of seen now. I have to get this out of the way. Like, this is useless now. I guess I'll get that out of the way. Looks good. Yeah, hopefully. Thank you. But yeah, we need to, like, this is something I need to take into account later. But this is all like positioned like absolutely instead of like as a percentage of of the screen coordinates. So that's why it's all wacky. Like everything is out of place. Yeah, I'll need to move these a little. Eventually I want the UI to like conform to the resolution a bit better, but for now I'll just stick with this. I'll take this out because like we already have menus that tell us this information. So no need for these two over here. We're gonna get rid of those. And this needs to be moved here, and that one needs to be moved here. And I need to move the camera a bit up. Because right now the camera isn't centering on stuff. It should, but it doesn't. It really doesn't. And that's... Maybe I should do that. How big is this? I think it's 12 by 20 by 20, and this is 12 by 12. I guess I can just go hit it midway, and that should be that. Or I can just center the camera. Yeah, I can just do that, I suppose. I can make the camera center on this thing, yes, and then that way the map will always stay in the middle, so less problems with that. It's never like all over there. Yeah, let's do that real quick because I want you guys to be able to see what I'm doing. I got so sad yesterday when people were like, I can finally see things. You weren't even seeing what I was doing. I got so sad. But hopefully now that problem's fixed. Okay, let's go to world. Where is it? World. I don't think it's open. It's probably not open. World. Okay, so when we... and we need on enter and on pause. On resume, I mean. Oh, I don't have... Oh, resume's over here. Okay. Yeah, I need to set the camera. So let's make like a function for this. I'll have to change this later, but for now we'll keep it as is. I watch you on an ultra wide monitor. I didn't have issues, but if someone was watching you on a mobile device, I can imagine that being a challenge. Yeah, people yesterday, like when I made the game screen a little bigger, they were like, I can finally see stuff. And I was like, what? You didn't see it before? I got so sad. I got real sad. I thought people were seeing things. Turns out they weren't after all. Let's set the camera or where? Oh, over here would be nice. I'll definitely have to change some of this stuff later, but I just want to get this stuff working for a bit. Okay, so main camera, position. So the position of the camera should be, where is it? Am I creating the camera on the fly or is it here and I'm editing it? I'm probably creating the camera on the fly. Let's run. Let's comment this. Let's run. So the thing, it's amazing how people will complain about all sorts of things and then accept other things when it comes to streams. Yeah. Because like I thought everyone could see it. Like, sure, it's not very detailed because like it's pixels, so it's obviously gonna be small in comparison to other things. But I thought people could see because I could see it too. But turns out no. Turns out people can't see what I could see. All right, let's go over here. Where's the camera? Oh, I'm creating the camera on the fly. Okay, cool. Okay, so where do you have to be? You should need, okay, first of all, position. Here we go. Okay. You should be in the center of the coordinates of the map. So that should be like, it's 16 by 16. So it should be 160 to be at the center of the map. No, oh, okay. Y is minus because of course it is. There we go. Now it's, I think it's not exactly centered, is it? Oh no, you're right. Cause like, no, but if it's 20 by 20, wait, is it the same measure from here to here than from here to here? I don't think so. This one looks way bigger than this one. I'm trying to, hold up. Is that it? It can't be. Yeah, because it's also bigger on this side than on this side. So I probably need to take off half of that. Maybe. No, that looks even worse. Okay, this looks a little better. I still don't know if this is the thing, if this is the ticket, but it really shouldn't be. Because, like, if it was, like, if this was, like, negative, then that would make sense. Negative, I mean, if this was odd. If this was an odd number of, like, cells, that it would make sense, like it would skew towards one side over the other, but well, but this is still a little better. Like, I could just move it a little up, I suppose. Yeah, because like now it's like completely done. All right, so this is, how big is that? 128. Okay. Let's just... Nah. Let's not... Oh, that would do. But... Yeah, because putting it exactly in the middle isn't gonna cut it. How big is that? 128? Yeah, okay, let's do that then. Let's try and see if this works. All right, so the position is going to be world size. This is a, oh, it's actually a vector 2i. It shouldn't be, but okay. We'll fix that later. Let's make it by world instance. Is it an instance? Oh, I think the instance is here, isn't it? Where is the instance of the world? I think it should be. Wait a minute. No, it has to be on Game Manager, isn't it? Doesn't it? What? Unless this already has it. Okay, I have to check where it is. I must have reworked it and forgotten where to put it. Okay, here we go. Okay, so this is used in a bunch of places. Oh yeah, it does exist here. Yeah, oh, it's called World Instance, okay. Okay, okay, fair enough. Cell size, there we go. There we go, okay, that makes sense. But now we need to subtract. Well, yeah, there is that, but we do need to multiply this by another thing. Factor 2i. Yeah. There. There. Oh, yeah, I technically don't need that. Sure, fine. And then, finally, that. Because we do want to move up, though. So, no, if we want to move up, we need to do minus. Got it. Okay. Let's see if that's the ticket. That looks complicated. Yeah, like, my biggest problem is I come from Unity, which has a different coordinate system, so X and Y are treated a little differently. So that's why whenever it comes to these sorts of things, I always like confuse myself. Cannot convert from float to int. What is that? Oh. Oops. Yeah, but camera is always a huge thing. Yeah, and I made a mistake. It's like, what? Do I not need this? I probably don't need this, and I did it anyway. Wait a minute, that's even worse. Oh god. Wait a minute. So it's the size times the cell size. Correct. So you need to add the 64? Is that it? God, the coordinate system in Godot always cracks me. Wait a minute. Why are you all the way over there? I am very confused right now. Okay, let's see what's happening here, because I might just be doing something wrong with this. No need for that. We're good. Already figured that one out. Okay. 20 by 20, correct. Cell size is 16 by 16, correct. We want y negative. So this oh, we have to divide by 2. Oops. I completely forgot. We need to divide this by 2. Can I do it just like that? Or do I need to provide a vector for that? Hopefully this is enough, but parentheses can be removed. Sure. I mean, no. Parentheses cannot be removed. I don't trust this. Yeah, 320, yeah. Is that camera position center or top left? This, I believe it's center. Yeah, because then it expands on both sides. So it's 320, so I need to make it 160. So that's why, that's why those numbers were way off mark. Okay, this looks a little better. There we go. Still too much to the right, but... Okay, so what is the position of the camera now? Wait, 0. 0. Hi, Nuts! Hello, hello! Welcome, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Why are you 0? Oh! I know why it's 0. There we go. Okay. This looks a little better now. Okay, cool. Okay, let's see. So I click on stuff. Everything is working correctly. Good. Okay, perfect. Now I need to do the same, but for combat. So let's do that. I'm actually gonna copy this over to combat. So I can set the camera when I enter. Enter. Yeah, I don't need the pause here because like combat is just, it's a one-time thing. You don't pause combat. At least not yet. Eventually you might, but as it stands right now, we'll just okay, this is all UI stuff. Let's put it over here. That's it. Just put that camera here. Okay, off it goes. Good. All right, so we'll need our combat area. Oh yeah, combat info area. Yes, size. There we go. Times instance. Where are you? Combat area instance. There we go. Cell size. Yes. What is the problem here? Ah, I see. Okay. Yeah, this is what I was thinking, but that's fine. Let's make it a vector 2i. Map size. And let's just cut this off. Maybe a new vector. X. Y. There we go. And we'll use this instead. Cell size of the instance. -2. Okay, this value, I don't know. It's not going to be that, I don't think, because I need it to be a little lower because of the combat forecast. We'll see. Yeah, this needs to be moved too. That's fine. Who can you attack? I can't even see. I can click on the midpoints though, so that's always nice. Can I attack someone? I don't think I can. I don't think there's even enemies over here. Yeah, I'll need to move that. Okay, come on over. There we go. Okay, I can attack this guy. So I need to move it a little lower, and it should be fine. Yeah, this should be fine, I think. So let's move it like, what, 32 more? Should be more than enough. Let's see. I think I moved it up instead. Because I always do that. Why are these different? No. Okay, 32, so that's 32, okay. Like these coordinate systems kill me. Is that a bow versus snowman as weapons? Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I don't have assets for everything yet. So, when the character doesn't have armor, wait, which one is it? Like when it doesn't have an armor, I made it as a snowman. Snowman means he doesn't have armor. He's like naked cold, you see. That's why I put a snowman there. It's just silly, but you know, it's a placeholder. I've heard brought a knife to a gunfight before, but I've heard brought snowballs to a bow fight. Yes. Yeah, it's a thing. It's definitely a thing. But yeah, the snowman is just when the character is not armored. That's what I do. I just he's buck naked, so he's cold. That is indeed very cool. That is indeed the coolest thing. Okay, last test of the camera, hopefully. And then we get to move on to other stuff, because I need to move that out of the way. Okay, I think this is perfect, actually. Let me just... Okay, perfect. It's right in the center. Perfect, that's good. Okay, let's move the other three things. Disable these two, because we don't need them anymore. But we do need to move these things, because like they're way off mark. Okay, let's just do that real quick, and then we can actually do the things that we were meant to do today. Okay, so you, where are you? You are the, oh, you're in combat, correct? So turn order. Okay, so yeah, these two can go away because I'm not using them anymore, but I need to delete them from code, otherwise it's gonna be a mess. Combat. So which one of this? Combat forecast is the window. Yes. Character info. Is that the that's the forecast info. So which one of this is cell properties? Ah, here we go. It's these two. Yeah, it's these two. These two are gonna go away. Go away. We don't need you anymore. No, wait a minute. I need to delete them from here so I can remove them from everywhere. And cell properties. We're gonna remove that too. Okay, get that out of the way. And then we're gonna remove everything that... Yeah. We'll just comment that because this code might be useful later. Same thing here. So yeah, there we go. I mean, this is not going to be very useful, but at least we'll just keep it there for now. Okay, so these two can be safely deleted now. Yes. And now let's, okay, combat forecast should be top center. What is it? Center top. What? Oh, because this, okay, hold on. Because this, yeah, I need this to, let's make it a full rect. Yeah, because that way I can just put everything in their place. But I want the pivot of this to be I never know how to work with these things. I remember when I went to put text into Unity and that confused the heck out of me. This seems much friendlier. It is a little friendlier, at least I think so, yeah. Text here in Godot is usually way better than in Unity, I feel. Because in Unity, you had to like install TextMesh Pro, which was like a real pain. And then like stuff that I do here out of the box, for example, these characters in the text, so like sprites in the text, was a nightmare to set up in Unity. And here it just comes out of the box and it works great. Hi, Jin! Hello, hello! Welcome, welcome! How are you doing? Yes, it's the weekend! We're close to it. Not yet over here, but yeah, it's close to the weekend, yeah. Yeah, it's Friday. We're close to the weekend, and that's cool. Hopefully you'll have a great weekend. Okay. God, this is so confusing. Okay. DSC, hi! Will this game have explosions? Maybe. I don't know yet, but it just might. I don't know about that one yet. But it does have snowmen. TBD has it true. It has snowmen in it. But I don't know about the explosions. We don't want to kill the snowmen, you see. That would be barbaric. Okay, I think I got it. I think. Okay. Character info. Where is the character info and why is it there? Wait a minute. What? Why? Wait a minute. Oh, I know why. Oh god, I had this all set up wrong. That's why. Yeah, I really need to, like, this weekend, I need to review 2 things, because now that I'm moving into menus, I need to look up 2 things. How to do drag and drop, and, like, Captain Fubar already helped me with that. And I need to, like, set this up correctly for resolutions, because, like, when I don't want to change resolution, then suddenly have to do all of this again. It would be terrible. Hi, Prophets! Happy Friday, you do! Hello, welcome. I'm always advocating for explosions. Yeah, explosions, you know, they have their place, and they are cool. Explosions are pretty nice. Depending. I mean, you don't want yourself to explode, but yeah, explosions are cool. I agree. Okay, so if I move this a little bit... Wait a minute. What? Why are you all the way up there? Okay. Get to the center. There. Okay. Now, move like... What is it? 14 by 14? Let's move you... That might be too little. But okay, let's keep you there for now. And now, the turn display, which is, wait a minute. What? Why are you out? Oh god. Okay, don't move size, move position. Okay, there we go. Okay, that looks a little better. Cool. Alright. Now, how do I... Why is the layout mode different? I mean, these are both controls. Why? What? Why? Is it because of this? Oh, it's because of that. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, so, center left. Cool. Let's keep you there for now. Or actually, no. Center. Just center. Dead center. Where is it? There we go. And now, take off 70. No, actually not 70. 70 is not enough. That's what I mean. Because like these are like 118. So minus 118, minus 16. And that should be the place where it should be. We'll see if these... all this math is probably incorrect, but we'll keep it like that. Okay. I think that's it. Let's see if this works. If it doesn't, I'll cry. Okay, there's still a little... it's still a little off. Yeah, it's still... yeah. I probably need to take out more. Yeah, okay. That's fine. We can just... there. And another 70 here. There. That should fix it. Oh man. I hate resolution switching. It's like a nightmare. Okay, this looks a little better now. I mean, if more characters come down here, then it's a nightmare, but other than that, we're fine. Cool. Okay, I think this is good. Yeah, this is fine. It's not perfect, but it, you know, at least now people can see everything that's happening, so okay. Cool. Okay, let's see, this is still good? Yeah, it's still good. Perfect. All right. There we go. Okay. This... it's looking like something. It's looking like something. At least that. Let's just... I want to see if, like, if someone gets knocked down, if this interferes, if, like, their exit thing interferes with the rest of the game. Oh, it kind of doesn't. No, it's fairly subdued, I suppose. Yeah, it's fairly subdued. I don't think it'll impact all that much. Yeah, that's the snowman. You guys see it? Like, they don't have any armor, so they have snowman for armor. Okay, let's just try and finish this, just to check that everything's working okay. You're already injured, so let's go with you. There we go. No. There we go. Okay. We're good. Okay, we're perfect. It actually makes sense because pretty sure weapon top. Bow beats snow. Yeah. Pretty much. Hell yeah. Okay, so resolution changes, everything else, good. We're good. This is fine. Oh, there is one extra thing, because I don't think I did. Maybe I did see it yesterday, but let's check again. This little menu. Oh, okay. This is still looking good. Yeah, I need to use anchors on the UI. I'll probably take the weekend to do that, to like fix the UI that already exists, to use anchors instead of relative positions, because that way when the resolution like changes, I don't have to like redo the whole UI, because that would be bad. Yeah, sometimes these don't open. I have to understand why. I mean, it probably has to do with the fact that you can click on this when you're here when you're not supposed to. But you know. I could actually implement something real quick to actually fix that. I might just do that just to make it less confusing. Yeah, I might just do that. It's a quick fix, I think. Let me just go over. Where's the menu? Here we go. Party menu. So when we click for a character, yeah, okay. So oh, I think I cut that off, didn't I? Didn't I have a thing for that? Ah. I see. But like the state machines, right. Right. Because like state machines on their own have their and it's public, yeah. But because it's not a state machine, yeah, I'll need to put this over on the interface. I forgot about that. There we go. Okay, there we go. There. Okay, we pop it off. There. We just needed a little magic. But yeah, I wasn't aware that this was a thing. I really need to yeah, I need to add that to the changelog later. Yeah. But yeah, so that's it. There we go. Okay, hopefully that fixes the issue. Let's rerun. Because I think that's the problem with the yeah, there we go. And immediately it opens. So that's pretty good. Okay, I think that solved the issue. And now we can just check everyone. Yeah, good, good, very good. Okay, fix that. We're just fixing stuff today. But I want to get to some actual new stuff too. Because like, yesterday we implemented a bunch of things to get started on the inventory of these characters. So the idea is, when I go over these characters, I want to be able to like go here to the weapon and the armor section and be able to change their equipment, basically. So yeah, like when I click on this stuff, I should be able to open like a small side window or something like that. I don't know what it's gonna be yet. But yeah, it should open something that will allow me to change what they're using. Yeah, okay. But before that, there is a lot of code to be done. So let's get on that. Let's go over, because like when I went over the party stuff, here we go. It already has, let's change the name of this. There we go. I actually named it resource inventory. Yeah. So I'm good. I'm good. This is good. Okay. Now that we already have this, I need to actually put stuff on the inventory, but besides that, we're going to need a lot of other stuff. Okay. Let's make the little menu. And we need to actually make that a button, I think. We need to make this little thing a button so I can change the weapon that they're using. Yeah. So let's make a small window over to the side or something. With an inventory. So let's copy that. Character menu, here we go. Let's copy this. We'll call this like inventory, something like that. Okay, I definitely need to to rework the UI for this later, but for now this will do. Okay. So let's move this over to the side. Let's just differentiate this. Now we're gonna need, besides all of this, so the content, it's not gonna be a V-box. It needs to be something like a grid container, which I think Godot has. Let me check. Container. Grid container, there it is. So let's change this. Instead of characters, we'll put this as items. And we'll just... No, actually, hold on. Items. And then we can just slots on this side and stat info on this side or something like that. Because like I want to like when you hover over an item, I want it to say over here their stats. Oh, ads are starting soon. I always lose track of this. Okay, but we'll make a small pause. I can actually pour more hot water over my tea, so that always helps. Little pauses like that always help. Help stay hydrated. God, ad breaks take forever. What cycle do you run them on? Well, it says like I need to like have like 3 minutes per hour. So I just do 3 minutes all at once per hour. So yeah, that's I put it up as automatic to do that. Then sometimes I forget and it runs while I'm talking. So that's bad. I wish it was a little less time though, because like 3 minutes feels like forever. Sneaks in and changes code while everyone is distracted. I mean, feel free. I don't think no one will notice. Shh. But you didn't hear this from me. I've gone for the 1.5 minutes every 30 minutes. Yeah, I guess that also works. But I don't know. I feel like ads are such a break of like concentration. I prefer to do it less time, but more less times, but more time. That sounded really weird. That was really weird to say. it's done. No longer are we under the tyranny of ads. Get out of here. I don't stop. I put a message saying if you want to pause, just call it out. If you want me to pause, just call it out. Oh, yeah, I mean, I don't know. By put up, I mean announcement in the chat. Yeah, I probably should do that. Some like automatic announcement in the chat. Yeah, I really should do that. And yeah, like a bot would help with that, because like a bot could just like tell me like in the because I usually pay more attention to the chat than ads. So, yeah. So yeah, I really should put up a bot saying like ads are coming, and then I pay more attention to that, because like I pay more attention to chat. I don't look at the ad section all that much. Okay, so slots are gonna be here. So instead of contents being that, let's change the type of this to a grid. Grid. No. What? Okay, I don't know what happened there, but that was funny. Grid. Grid container. There we go. Okay. So this, I don't even know what the layout is going to be of the grid. I mean, columns. How many columns should I have? Like 4 by 4 or something like that? Yeah, well, let's go with 4. I need an inventory slot, but right now I'm gonna make it a button so I can click on things. Like eventually I'd like to be able to drag stuff over. So like I click an item and just drag it, or like click it and like equip. Like I have a button down here that says equip, but right now I'll just make it a button. I can make it a button here. Yeah, I think that's a little bit better actually. Okay, let's make a slot for inventory. Whoop. Let's make a quick and dirty inventory slot. So I'll need a 16 by 16. So I'll leave a pixel for size. Yeah, that should do. It's not gonna be these colors, but I really should do this in another file. Where am I? Because I did have an experimental file for UI. That's where I usually do all my UI stuff. I don't do it directly here. Give me a sec, I need to find it. I think this is it. Is it this one or is it the other one? I have 2 of them. Okay, this is like the this is the trade window. Like I was experimenting a lot with trading windows. I have yet to go through with that because that seems like a nightmare. But yeah, it's not this one either. Okay, so I don't have one for that. I'll just create a new one. That's fine. Yeah, that was the trade window. The whole thing is like a huge mess. Okay, let's import. Wait a minute. That was useful because I actually wanted the colors out of that. I do have the color palette over here, don't I? I don't. Okay. Hi, Captain Fubar! More Speedy things! Yes. Work meetings? Okay. Okay, TBD. That's fine. Thank you. Thank you for stopping by. You have a good work meeting. Yes, we're doing more Speedy things today. Welcome, welcome. Let's see. I just need like Where was it? Was it this one? Like, I keep forgetting. Nope. Oh, I think I know where that is. It's not there at all. Oh yeah, I know where that is. Okay, I have it in a completely different folder because it was like an experiment. It was an experimental thing. Okay. I think it's here. It sucks. Here we go. Yeah. Here we go. Here we go. This is what I wanted. There you go. Okay. Because I believe I have the palette over here. Yeah, there it is. Come over here. Move that over here. Palette over there. There we go. Okay. Now we're in business. Let's bring in an item too. Just so I can, you know, get a feel for like how they look inside the slot. Where is it? Ah, it's this one. There we go. You move on over there. I'm gonna need a few of these things. Yeah, one of them should be enough though. They all have a pretty. Let's bring in the axe because the axe looks cool. Let's bring it over here. There. So now we can go over it. Okay, let's color this. I don't even know how much, because like, what is the background? It's gonna be this, so I can just do a small background on that. Like do this. Is it that? No, it's not that. I think it's this one. Yeah, it's this one. There we go. So that means we can just, it needs, like, maybe I can just put it a little darker and call it a day, like something like that. Does that look? It doesn't have to look like good. Four is enough. And this almost fits in the thing, so it's fine. Let's see how this looks. Yeah, that looks okay. Could do it a little more refining later, but you know, no, I don't want to say that. But I do want to bring this over, so let's just copy this. Not like that. Move it over here. Take off the corners. And let's put this over here somewhere. Where would be a good place for this? I'll just put it over here. It's fine. There. Are you correct? Yes, you seem to be. Okay, good. Let's import it. So I can put it over here. Here we go. UI. Let's duplicate one of these. Call it UI. What would this be? It's not a button. It's kind of like a texture, kind of. Yeah. And this is going to be inventory slot. Go. Let's put it over here. There we go. And we'll just edit this. Put it over at this thing. Oh, yeah. Okay. This is not. There we go. It's good. Okay. It's safe. And now, over here, we're going to add. What would be a good thing for this? A control, probably? For each of them? Slot 0. So we're gonna need two things for this. We're gonna need, let's make it a 9 patch rect for the background. Background. And then a texture rect for the item sprites. There we go. So this, just quick load this. Inventory slot, there we go. And let's just add stuff to this. Okay, there we go. But this is not correct. Why is this so big? There we go. Pixels seem to be the same size, so we're good. Okay, so slot is going to be an 18 by 18 thing. Oh, wait a minute. Can I not? I can change the size of this. I don't know. Right. I want that. But this. No, but that's because slot is like a thing. This child is a child of container. Well, yeah, but how do I tell it? Custom minimum sum. What if I set it to a panel? Or that? I don't know. Can I change the size of it? No. Then, hang on a second. Right. Oh, actually, this is not 18 by 18. I think it's 20. It's 20 by 20. Okay, that makes a little more sense. There we go. There. Okay, that looks a little better. What I don't get is... why can I not change the size of this thing? I mean, I can change the minimum size, but I wanted to just, like, have a thing that is... what's the struggle? Like, okay. I want this, like... so these are various things that I want to put in the grid, right? So I want them to, like, be all spaced and stuff. So first things first, not even getting into, like, how much they're spaced. That's fine. How do I tell it to have a certain size? Because, like, I can't change the size of this thing. And there's nothing here that tells me containers? You have to set the min size. So it's always the minimum size? It's not like I can't just set it to a specific size? It needs to be minimum size. Okay. Because, like, I was trying to avoid minimum size because it seems like weird to not like say, I want this to be this size. But I guess that's a quirk of it. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Like, if I go here and put it 18 by 18, then yeah, then that's... no, it's not 18, it's 20. Crap. 20 by 20. Ah, but this is... okay, yeah. Children only tell the parent container, I need this amount of space. And let me grow size flags in this way. Okay, got it, okay. Okay, cool. Now. Let's copy these a few times. Just so I can see what's going on. There we go, okay. There. Alright. Alright, let's make the max of this thing, like, yeah, 12 item slots should be more than enough. Unless I make it 5, but then it's weird. I don't know. How much space do I have here, actually? Do I have space for 2 more if I, like, put 2 more? Oh, it actually works. Then the container reserves the size for the child and positioning accordingly. The grid container has a theme override to define the spaces between the grid. Right. I do have to make a theme for the UI eventually. Eventually, being the... can it squeeze one more in there? Let me check. Yeah, it increases the size a little, but it does fit in a little one more. All right. All right. I'll just keep it like this. That's fine. It's just a little thingy anyway. I don't even know if the UI is gonna stay like that, but... Okay. I need... so now that I have this... Work in progress. Yes, it's all work in progress until it's not. But until then, it's work in progress for like a bajillion years. But no one needs to know that. Okay, let's get these out of the way. This was just a little test to see if everything's good. I need to make this a button actually. Instead of a control, I need it to be a button, I think. Until you see placeholder in the end product, then it's a final placeholder. Yes, like, you know, sometimes placeholders just do their thing. Their job is done, you know. Can I change this to a button? But if I'm gonna change to a button, yeah, I'll just go get the buttons and change a few things here and there. Give me a button, any button. That'll do. There you go. Oh, that's way too big, but yeah. Let's go over here. Yeah, here we go. Okay. Let's make this 3. Yes. And we're actually going to quick load our theme from before. Oh, then make it, yeah, it's not 3, it's 2, my bad. There you go. Cool. Hover and pressed. Hover and pressed. Oh, it's an icon. Okay, I can just change the icon of this thing. Instead of like doing this, we can just have an icon. What if I... Ah, okay, it adds to the thing. Okay, that's cool. Okay. Let's make hovered, pressed, and disabled. I don't need disabled, I don't think, because I'm never gonna disable them. Can I just clear this? Yeah, that's fine. Hover and press. Now those are... Yeah, okay. Let's make a hover and a press for this. Shouldn't be that hard. Okay. Let's move it over here. Let's make 2 copies of this. Okay, so hovered. I need to make this a little lighter. But only the inside, like the outside should keep like its frame. Oh, where's my palette? Actually, I can just load the palette here. What am I doing? There we go. All right, let's, so for hovering, let's do this, which is really, no, I mean, because this should be pressed, and this should be highlight. Yeah, that'll do. I mean, it looks kind of too much, but that'll do. Not you. You. There. So, we're going to need... what's the name of the first one? Is it normal? Normal, okay. Inventory slot, normal. I'm gonna make a few duplicates out of this. Hovered. Hovered. There we go. Oh, it's just hover. God damn it. hover, and pressed. Pressed. Oops. I removed the little dot at the end. There we go. Okay. So hover should be this little guy. There. And the pressed should be the one on the right. This little guy. Done. Okay. Done? Good. Okay. Let's go over here. Hovered. It's always going to be 2. There. And we're just going to quick load. Hover. And finally, quick load. No, not that. I have to open this. 2, 2, 2, 2. And quick load this one. Quick load. Not load, quick load. Pressed. I think it was pressed. It's pressed, okay. There we go. Okay. So, no more of that. Get out of here. Slot 0. There we go. So when we click a slot 0, we want the information of that item over here. That's what we're gonna do. So info. Let's see. We'll want the name of it. It's gonna be like the icon for it and like item name. Item name, if it's a weapon, we'll want some other information. Like, we'll probably need something like a description. We actually want this to be a little... Can I tell it to like... Oh, yeah, a tab could do, but... I guess I'll just do a tab. Because that would mean I'd have to make like another item just for this, and I don't feel like doing an item just for that. All right, let's go with that. Tab, sure, 2 tabs. No, but that's not gonna work because if it takes over more than 1 line, that's not gonna cut it. How did I do it for that? Oh, I gave it a margin container. Yeah, I guess that's what I'll have to do. I'll have to give it a margin container. Seems a little excessive, but all right. Description container. Description. And let's just go over the margin container. Margin to the left, 716. Put that in. Hey, there it is. Okay. Okay. So we'll need okay. I can actually, well, yeah, all right. Fine. Fine. Put that over here. All right, so we'll need a description, something like their damage and their protection. It's like damage, protection. I think that's it for now, right? We don't have anything else for items. I mean, eventually we will, but okay, 1 pixel, it's fine. Yeah. Damage, 1, 2, 3. And protection. 1. So yeah. What happens if the item description is really large? So uh-oh. No. Oh god, no, wait a minute. Did it increase the size of the thing? Oh god. Please don't. Ah, I see. Okay, I did that. No, I don't want that. Auto wrap. Yes. Word. Oh, but then it does that. Ah, here we go. If auto wrap is on, then it does that. Perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. Cool. Yeah. Exactly what I needed. Good. I think that's it. Oh, yeah, there is one extra thing we need to, we need to add a button to this. Where is it? I need a button. Maybe that. No, not that one. That button is not good for that. Put it over there. Wait, did I copy the wrong one? Maybe I did. Hold on. Ah, okay. Got it. Okay. I see. Hmm. Okay, hold on. These out of the way. Because I don't have anything like that. Yeah. To organize the display better and not depend so much on setting visibility to new UI elements, use a tab container. It organizes elements into tabs, and only the current tab will be visible. I see. I'll have to do something like that, yes. Alright, just give me a sec, because the thing you were talking about just bit me in the ass quite thoroughly, I think. I think that's it. I have no idea. It's actually that, but... Did I copy the wrong one? No, I didn't copy the wrong one. It's this one. Normal. Oh, whoops. No, okay, hold on. Okay, so that... All right, you know what? Give me a sec. No, that's okay. That's okay. There we go. Last. And finally, oh, this one didn't get changed. What? Okay. Cool. All right. Okay. That's fine. That's fine. We're fine. This is fine. I'm really gonna take some time this weekend to like learn about UI, because always setting this up is a nightmare. This is the normal one. There we go. I really needed to fix that. This is hover. No, wait a minute. There we go. This looks very involved. Yeah, it is a thing. But like, I need to this could be a lot less involved if I knew a bit of what I'm doing, because like there is a way, Godot has a way to like set up like a whole UI like theming, kind of like CSS but for UI. And I need to do that. Like I need to do like a whole file of things, because otherwise this is gonna take forever. I do know it exists. It's just like I didn't want to get into it, but at this point I don't think I can postpone it any longer. Cause like this is getting like insane. Like I have way too much stuff happening in here. So yeah, I'd rather just tell it, you know, you're this kind of button, and that's it. And I don't have to worry about anything else. Yeah. What is this? Disabled? Disabled. There we go. There. Only thing needed. So like everything is correct now. Yes? Yes. Okay, buttons back to normal. Good God. Okay, no icon. Clear. And we're gonna make this. Oh yeah, there is something we need to do. Crap. A sec. Button. Oh, T button. There we go. Okay, that's a little easier. Buttons with. Here we go. Okay. Theme overrides fonts. This one. Oh, I don't override the font size. Okay. Oh, it's the Kenny Pixel one. Okay, let's do that then. Here we go. Clear that off. Font is gonna be Kenny Pixel. Oh, it's the only one in the project. I need to find another one. I want a font that has like accents and stuff like that. Accented characters, because like Portuguese, along many other languages out there, have a lot of accents. So I want to have a font that takes care of that. So equip item. Okay, cool. That's it. That's good. This is only going to be available if the item can be equipped, of course. So like Roboto? Isn't Roboto like how do you say this? It's not a pixel font, right? Because I think I've used it before. It's like a vector font, a normal vector font, like unlike pixel vector fonts. Because that's the thing. I wanted to try to keep this aesthetic of like the pixel thing. That's the problem. Like pixel fonts are really hard to come by, especially with accented characters. Yeah, kind of. Yeah, a bit. I may just do one, but that seems like a lot of work, so I'll have to improvise, I guess. Yeah, there's a lot of them. I have to go and check. Yeah, I'll have to check that. But right now I just have the game in English, so eventually when I put other languages here, I'll have to think about that. But that's the thing, like when I do the actual UI, that isn't like this placeholder stuff. I need to make it in accordance to like the new UI elements, and also like the font size that I'll pick, because otherwise this thing is gonna look like terrible. But okay, this looks good. Let's. Oh yeah, I need to. I need to make these buttons. I need to make this a button, so I can open this little menu over to the side and like equip stuff. All right, let's do that. Where is it? That'd be on the character menu. Here we go. So instead of weapon and armor, right. Let me check. I haven't looked at a lot at this. Like I've looked at some stuff before, but let me see. Variants. Okay. Yeah. Accents. I wonder what kind of stuff is out there. Oh, there's a few cool ones here. Yeah, I'll have to take some time and check, because like it feels like I'm gonna take a very long time to pick all of this. Some of these are pretty cool. Ooh, I like this one. This one looks cool. Yeah, it might be too big for the kind of stuff that I'm making. Consider applying a shadow to the font for added contrast. Yeah, I'll have to do that. Yeah. Because like, as it is right now, it's like white on you can't do that. Outline will draw into the font. Because I read about it, and there is a way to do that directly, isn't there? To do outlines and stuff like that. It has to be with a theme. Let me see. Ah, okay. Fonts and stuff. Okay. Yeah, I definitely have to do all of this. Oh, it even lets you experiment with stuff. That's cool. What type of control node is it you are theming? I guess it's a rich text label. So I'll have to like add plus then select the control node type. Got it. Okay. So, label. Ah, here we go. Outline color. Ooh, okay. Selection color, shadow color. Add the value you need to change. Got it, okay, cool. Click on plus and override. Let me see, default color, outline color. Let's just make a little experiment. And how would I change the color of this? Do I have to click on it plus first? Don't forget to set the shadow size under .c. Oh, it's over here? Shadow offset, okay. Shadow outline size. Ah, so I'm picking stuff. And then I can change it. Okay, got it. Okay. Let's do outline color. Let's make it just black, just for testing. Yeah, I have to take like, I don't know, a day, maybe more, to just do all of this. To just keep this all in check. Override all. What happens? Oh no, okay, no. Hold on, no. Okay. Ah, it only does that for the thing, okay. The values in the theme override will override the theme values you're editing? You mean the ones that I'm... these ones, right? They override this one, right? So take this out. There's no overrides. Okay, good. I'm assuming you're pointing to the theme override. Yeah. So theme overrides override the theme. That makes sense. Makes sense. Oh, it actually override everything. No. Okay. Just leave it default. All of it default. Except for that. The colors. I want to keep those. You just learned out a theme. Yeah, I'll have to take some time because like, so here's a question. If I want like a different theming for buttons, for example, do I just create a new theme for those specific buttons and that's it? Two more things. Themes are inherited. Ah, okay. Themes are inherited. Okay, got it. So if I set a theme over up on this element over here, then it comes all crashing down. Got it. Ah, it even has the variants over here. Okay. That's nice. You apply it either on the topmost node, right? Or in the project settings to be project wide. Oh! Second, you use variants. I assume that's it. This is it, like type variation. You can create a variant to any theme. You have a button theme and you want to create a variant. You click on the plus and name the new variant. Ah, I see. Okay. So, for example, let's just think. I'm gonna create a new text label again. Let's see what it does. Rich text label. Oh, did I? Wait a minute. Did I add this to the thing? It's like, okay. Add. Click on manage items. Manage items, here we go. Ah, okay. Here we go, all right. So this is where we can like rename this stuff, I assume. To manage all the items in the theme. Got it, okay. Thank you. At the moment, we only have the rich text label. Okay, so what if I... New. Theme type is empty. Oh, so I just give it a name here. So like text 2. Got it, okay. Oh, I deleted both of them. Okay, text 2. And now right. Add item. Add a color item. You don't want to edit and manage. Oh, okay. Oh, so I just create them here and then I edit them outside. Is that it? I see. Okay. Got it. Okay. So how do I tell it? Is it this? There we go. Okay, I think I got it. Oops. No, stop. I clicked that on accident. That's good. Thank you. Okay, got it. So if I save this now, or is it saved by default? You extend it from whatever base theme or your own theme you like. Got it, okay. You can extend from your custom theme too. Ah! Okay. So, if I change a few things over here, let's get this out of the way. Let's make the text black and the outline white. Yeah, let's make the experiment. So we do this. That out of the way. Click on save to save the theme to a file. Save. Oh, there we go. New theme. Where would I put something like this? Assets? I guess I'll just put it here. I'll create a folder here. Themes. There we go. You have a resource folder? I mean, I usually put them on assets. I don't know if I, like, that's what I'm used to, but you know, that's my resource folder in a way. Let me check. Because like I'm putting everything here, even the resources. Maybe I shouldn't do that. But... Oh, I do have a resource folder. Maybe I should put it here. Yeah, okay. I'll move the themes over here. Whoop. There we go. There. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, I really should make that distinction because I didn't have that in Unity, so I have to keep track of that stuff. I need to be more aware of that. Oh, crap. I really need a bot to track all these ads. But it's cool, it's cool. I got it on time, so it's fine. Yeah, I'll probably, during the weekend, I'll probably take the time to like do all this, like the theming, setting up the UI properly. I'll have to do that. That way it saves me a bit of headaches. I'll get to that in a bit. Let me just check what's happening. Okay. I think I got it. I just need to Yeah, I really need to take the time in the weekend to like do a proper theme with everything. But yeah, this looks nice. Doing, and the fact that I'm able to like edit these items to see how they work, that's pretty neat. Yeah, this looks really nice. Oh, this is a color picker. Okay. Next edit. Ever figured out how to apply variations yet? So from what I could like, because like, okay, give me a sec. Because from what I can understand, this text to thing is not associated with a rich text label, right? Or is it? Because it's got like a thing like if it's a normal node, you must have a control node as root. How do I... Just means it is your custom theme variation. Ah, okay, got it. So I should be able to go down here and apply the variation to it. Click on add preview to add your custom UI as theme. Variation won't appear unless it is a global theme. Even then you have to reload the project for it to appear. Oh! Okay, gotcha. You just type the variation name after clicking on plus. Give me a second. Where is it? I don't even know where I was using that. Crap. Okay. Got it. Apply the theme to the root theme node. Ah, you mean here. Got it. I assume a canvas layer won't accept this sort of thing because it is a canvas layer, right? Must be a control node. Got it. So I'll have to create a control node for all of these. Okay. Let's go with this one for now. Must be control node extended. No, got it. Okay. Like that. Okay. I wonder if... Oh, because most of this stuff has like theme things. So that's probably why it's like that. Give me a sec. Yeah, I need to cut this off. Oh, I didn't save it? Probably didn't. Oh no, it's right here. Okay, hold on. Oh no, I probably did something wrong. Okay, here we go. Quick load. There it is. Okay. It's fixed. It's fine. This is fine. Okay, there it is. It's back. I just need to... I just need to take out all of the theme overrides on this thing. Well, this is for buttons, but we'll get to you later. So now I can just remove these theme overrides and everything should still be cool. All right, cool, perfect. Yeah. Okay, this is way better because then I can just change the theming at the blink of an eye instead of like having to always go here and just go over stuff. Use filter to select specific ones in the scene panel. Oh, you mean like that? I'll have to, I think these are all out now. Oh, I can multi-edit? Perfect. Okay, good. I think they're all good. I think they're all good now. I'm just gonna touch on this one for now. Eventually I want to do like for everything. Put it on everything. But I'll have to like take off all the theme overrides. And that seems like very boring work for... Oh, crap. I forgot to take the ad break thing. No. Okay. I keep forgetting to do that. Oh, God. We're no longer on ad break, everybody. Just a while ago, but, you know. No one needs to know that. It's fine. This is fine. We're fine. Oh, God. Yeah, but I'll need to do this. But thank you so much for the help, Kevin Fubar. No one is complaining. Yeah, I guess, but yeah, my OCD was getting the better of me. And like people come here and like, what do you mean ad break? No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, I should have taken notice of that. I was just so engrossed on this. I wasn't even paying attention to the ad break on the middle of the screen. Okay, now that we got this, try and type the variant to apply it. Try and type the variant. It is still there, correct? Let me just check. Oh, it's still here, okay. So if I just type the name of the variant here, it won't let me type though. Oh, I can do that. Okay. Text 2. Oh. How interesting. All right. I'm down. What is the outline? Is that the outline? No. Wait a minute. It must be something that I didn't check. Edit. Where is that thing coming from? Outline will draw into the font. Outline size. Ooh. Ah. Okay. Font might be too small to show any white. Yeah. I'm editing it. No, it's good. Don't mind me, I'm just screwing around. This is fun. Prefer shadow over outline? Ah, got it, okay. Shadow. Let's make it like 1, 1. Oops. Instead of outline, shadow, white. Yeah, I mean, this is not all gonna look good. I need to make the the thing white and there you go. Godot UI theming is one of my favorite video games. Not the offset, but size. Ah, got it. Okay, let's just check here. No offset. Shadow. Shadow offset, shadow outline size. Here we go. Okay. Okay. Calm down. All right. I like it. All right, let's do the experiment, and like instead of that, let's make the default rich text label instead of outline shadow. Yeah, leave it black. Ooh. Okay, this is some powerful stuff. Thank you so much. You've given me too much power now. I'll be here like forever tweaking this stuff. I'll be here forever like, ooh, but what if I do this? Ooh, what if I do that? Await the certificate. Thank you. Thank you for the help. I like this. I mean, it might be a little too strong, the coloring of this, but you know, I'll keep this one as an example. So then in the weekend, I know what I'm doing. But yeah, I do like this very much. I do like the fact that you can just change a thing here and it'll. Ooh. Okay, this is cool. I need to stop fiddling with this or else we're gonna be here all day and no one is gonna see. Shadow normally has transparency. Right. I should make it a little light. Just to be... What did I write? Okay, there we go. There. That looks nice. That looks nice. Oh, and okay, I found out where I applied the theming back then. It was to this thing. Where is it? No, it's not here. Get out of here. It's in the character menu. It's in the weapon. There it is. It was over here all along. All right, so let's just then emergent mechanics. Oh god, emergent mechanics. Yes, it's amazing. Okay, let's set the theme of all of these. The theme. Oh god, calm down. Okay. Calm down there. Okay, calm down. I do have theme overrides, yes. Good. Oh no, that's right. Never mind. I'm an idiot. Never mind. I don't need to do this here. Clear. There we go. Let's just go over here and set the theme here. Way easier. There we go. So now I can go to all of these and just unset everything. Should be easy enough. You can try and load it as a default theme. Will even show all variants on the list. Oh, okay. Okay. What is happening to this thing? Oh. Dang it. There it is. Okay. Oh god, what am I doing? Okay, good, good. This is cool. I like this. I like this a lot. We'll have to keep this. I need to keep this on check, otherwise I'm never gonna get anything done. But yeah, I'll definitely keep this up for later, and I'll hopefully on Tuesday, I'll I'll change. All of this will be changed with the new theming, and it'll be fun. All right. Okay, we finally got the thing we wanted. Let's just... Yeah, so we need to, when we click on one of these items, we need to show their, like, characteristics over here. Also, the title of this window is not that. It's Party Inventory. Oh, get that out of there. There we go. Okay, good. There we are. All right. Now, let's make the delicious code that makes this all happen. That's the fun part. So we'll need a new thing. Delicious code. Delicious underscore code. Correct. Correct you are. All right. Let's do the inventory state for this, because I'll need to set up all of these things. Where is... Okay, here we are. Let's go to... Here we are. New folder. Party inventory. You can use it for the UI and call methods from C#. Oh, okay. Snake case for life. Question, have you worked with GDScript? Yes. No. I've seen people work with it, but I never, You can use it for the UI and call methods from C#. Ah, okay. Okay, sorry everybody. I need to be right back. Just 1 or 2 minutes. Sorry. I will be right back. And we're back. Sorry about that. But I'm back. Thank you, thank you. Delicious code sounds like a Rust macro. Maybe. Thank you, thank you. But yes, delicious code is delicious. Gotta get in on that. Okay. We don't need a lot of it. We can just copy this over because we're gonna reuse some of this stuff. Not all of it, but yeah, we'll just copy some of this stuff and make a new thingy here. New file. Right. So this would be party inventory? Question mark? Yeah, that should do. That should more than just do. So, party inventory. Yeah. So our UI control is going to be. Let's actually rename this party inventory. Yeah. Let's copy that. Over here. There. Visible is false. Yes. Okay, we don't need this. Well, let's keep it. Yeah. I believe we'll need something like this, but that's fine. Okay, so no, we're not gonna need that, but we do need, like, we need to fill this up with the items from the party inventory. So like this whole contents thing needs to be filled up with the party inventory, and we'll need this to be empty. So like info should be invisible before you select anything. And then when you select something, it just pops to life. Okay. So we need to keep this. We'll need this. So this will be, also this is a grid container. Grid container. There we go. And this is gonna be like item slots container. There we go. And this is gonna be grid as well. Grid container. That is correct. And now we need the info. Wait a minute. Yeah, we don't need that here. Like, what is this doing here? Okay, there we go. I don't know why that one was there. That made no sense. Okay. Okay, we need to set this all up, but first, I'm just trying to think exactly. Yeah, I can just do that. We don't need right. Well, I can do that here. Sure. We'll just do this. And then we update it based on that. Okay. Cool. Let's wait a minute. Trying to think of the best way to go around this. So like, I only want to update this info thing. Oh, I can actually save the info. Copy path. There we go. So let's just, what is that? It's a margin container. So this would be UI item info container. There we go. There we go. This would be margin container. There we go. Okay. So now we got the info. This one will usually start invisible, but we can do that when we get to the other part of this. Because like when we open up the window, that's when we want to set it invisible. And then only set it visible after we click on something. Okay. So that's that, I think. Well, for now, we'll just do that, I think. Yeah, we'll just add buttons depending on what the party has in its inventory. If they don't have buttons, then we don't add anything. But I want eventually this to be like a full-on grid. and then you can drag and drop stuff between stuff. But that's something I need to think about in the future. So we'll keep that for another time. Right now, I just want to focus on showing stuff. Okay. Actually, I want to give an item to parties as soon as they're created, so I can test this. But we'll get there. Okay. Okay, yes. So when we enter this state, we fill this up with our items. So we'll need to do that. And that is going to be a button, I think. Yeah, it's a button. Party inventory count. Nope. Count. There we go. Obsidian Excalibur for prototyping UI. Yeah, I'll have to test that out. I haven't actually installed Excalibur ever. I usually use Canvas for some stuff, but it's very rare. Usually I just mostly write stuff. But yeah, that seems like a good idea. I'll have to try. This is a button. This is gonna be item slot template. Go. Excalibrain, another great tool, better than the base canvas feature for Obsidian. Ah. I'll have to look into that. Thank you. Excalibur and Excalibrain. Okay, I'll make a mental note of that. Okay, so these are all buttons. And this here we go. So instead of that, what do we want to do when we get here? So we go here. The only thing we want to change is set the icon to the icon of the item. Right. So icon is going to be sprite. There we go. And we don't need that. There. If nothing else, it's invisible. Then we set it to visible. Yes. Also, we don't need this. So items and item info goes here. So item info, the only thing that's going to happen is that when we go in, the info is not going to be visible. Because that's going to only happen when you click an item. When you click an item, oh, we actually need to do that, actually. Okay, so current child pressed. So what that means is that our so show item info for inventory index. Create this, of course, because it doesn't exist. Yes, so when we want to show the item info for a certain item, we'll need to check all of these things. Right, so if a container get node, they're all rich text labels, yes, rich text label. This is gonna be name. There we go. I'm gonna get a few more. Let's go with this. So, copy path. There we go. So this is the description. Damage and protection. So damage, protection. There we go. And now we need to change these values. Actually, yes. Well, actually, I can just put all of that into the description. Instead of having like a specific place for it, I can just add that to the description. I'll have to think about that. Maybe I don't want to do that. Maybe I want to keep these separate. Yeah, we'll keep them separate for now. That's fine. Okay, so maybe we should just save these because we're gonna edit them fairly regularly. UI item info. It's gonna be name. Description. Damage. Protection. And also we need this equip. So equip button. So we'll need a equip. It's gonna be this. This is gonna be a button instead. So instead of contents protection, it's gonna be equip. Go. Cool. You just need to create all of these variables now. No, get out of here. I always make that mistake. Generate read-only field, yes. There we go. There we go. Okay. So now all we need to do is update these things. So when where is that? Show item info. Oh, actually these things. Okay. show item info is going to be, so like, so name is going to be name, get name, localization, current language, yes. Okay, yeah. This needs to be inventory index instead. And this is text. Oh, and actually, we need two things for this. This is the first one. This is the second one, but I need the first one as well. I need the go. Text. Okay. So this is going to be, well, I can actually just item. And we'll just do this because it's easier that way. There. Item dot sprite. Yes. Now, the other ones, the description is just a thing. I'm not going to touch the description just yet. Description is going to be just lorem ipsum, blah de blah. Because like I don't have descriptions for items yet. So all that we need is to set damage and protection if they're supposed to be damaging or protective. So if item is weapon, then damage visible is true, and we need to set the text to this to damage go. So give me a sec, because I believe there's a way to do this in C#. It's because like I'm thinking of a way. I haven't used it all that much because like okay. There's an easy way to do that. It's like this. Okay. Min. Open damage max. There we go. If not, then we're gonna hide that piece of the UI. This, okay, and we're gonna do the same for protection. Is armor. So protection, armor dot protection, and we can delete the second part. But this is not damage. This is protection. Go. Oh, and also, there's another thing that we can also do. Yeah, because when it's stuff that is equipable, for example, armor and weapons, the equip item button should appear. So equip, there we go. Visible is true. UI equip. What was that name I gave it? I never know. Here we go. Disconnect all signals. No. Disconnect all signals. Isn't it there? Oh, I renamed it. Disconnect all from all. Okay, there we go. It's not this one I want to use, but this helps me find disconnect all from signal. Okay. Pressed. There we go. And pressed equip item. I have to make it delegate. Dang it. And just to make sure, I'm not even sure if this is needed because of scoping, but I'm not gonna take chances. There we go. I need to generate this method, so select character. Oh, actually, let's not make it equip item. Let's make it equip weapon. No, wait a minute. No, I can't do that because otherwise it's bad. Yeah, just keep it like that. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Evanor, hi! Welcome, welcome. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Glad you're enjoying the stream. Alright, we'll just do this. There. We don't need all of this, but we'll just keep it there. Sub item is a weapon. We do a thing. Item is an armor. We do another thing. There. Okay. So, there we go. So if it's a weapon, then the selected character weapon there. What is this? Use tuple to swap variables. That's not gonna work, buddy. Oh, I don't even need that. There. Easy as pie. There, we're gonna do the same for the armor. There we go. There we go. Okay, good. Oh, yeah, I forgot about semicolon here. Right, so we'll do the same for this. So here, yeah. There, okay. I think that's it in terms of like setting stuff up. I just need to see if this works or not. Oh, and also like we need to tell it to open these things. Oh, we forgot something over here on the UI. We need to turn this into buttons. So let's do that. Let's start with the weapon, just for, yeah, this can't be a rich text label anymore. That's okay. Let's remove the icon. Clear. We're gonna make this right, yes, so we don't need that. We can just tell it that the icon is a test sword. And we don't need all of that, so I'll get that out of here. Text behavior, alignment, left. No. Okay, there we go. Can I? Here we go. Weapon. Weapon name. There we go. With the damage. Yeah. That'll do. So, yeah, we're gonna need to change a bit how the character menu works. So instead of the weapon, yeah, we'll just change it here in a bit. This is a button. And actually, this should be here. There we go. So then we can go, text is going to be name, and we don't need center things anymore. That's all taken care of for us. Oh, an ad is in program. Oh crap, I forgot. Man, I really need to set up a bot, don't I? Okay. I really need to set up a bot for these things. Man, I keep forgetting about ad breaks. It's terrible. I'm just so engrossed in stuff sometimes. Hopefully, I wasn't doing anything too convoluted, so it should be fine. Delicious tea with delicious code. Yes. Okay. Ad break is over. We need to get it off of the screen. Get it off the screen. Okay, good. Before I forget, and like have an ad break all over the code. That's not cash money. It's definitely not cash money. Okay. There we go. And now, well, I'm just doing weapons for now. Let's test how the weapons work. Let's get the weapon out of the way, because I want to name this weapon again. There we go. So technically, when we click this, we want press. Oops. Oh, like change state, party inventory. There we go. And we need a, yeah, we're gonna need an instance of this over on our state manager. State manager. Let's add another menu. Party inventory. Party inventory, there we go. No. I don't know why he does that. There. Easier that way. There. So now we can change it. We can go from our character menu to the inventory. Yes. Oh, actually, let me just check something. Can I exit this? Is there a process? Ah, okay. Yes, yes, good. Yes, okay, good. We're good. We're good. We're fine. Let's see if this works. It probably won't. It probably has a bunch of stuff that needs to be corrected, but we'll just test it out anyway. Okay. This thing is way too... it's way too off. It's way too big, but okay. Like, it's got stuff in here which shouldn't... This shouldn't be visible, so that's a thing. That's for starters. So let's go party inventory. Here we go. So no, okay. There we go. So that's why that was showing up. Right. Let's add stuff to the party inventory. Just for testing. That would be over on world state. World state, here it is. So player party should be here somewhere. Player party, there we go. And when we create our player party, where is this? Wasn't this created here? I guess not. Is it over here? Ah, it's over here. Right. Okay. That's fine. So when we create a party, yeah, here we go. That's fine. Add inventory. I'm just gonna... So, to the party, don't forget. So, party dot item inventory add right. Let's add a sword. And a bow. There. Every party will come equipped with an extra sword and bow, just for testing purposes. Because we do need to test if this is working. Oh, okay. It's not opening because it's giving out an error. What is it? Ah. Okay. There we go. Whoopsie. I really need to make helper functions for that because I use that so many times, like, it really should be. Ah, okay, here we go. So that's correctly working. But now when I click the sword, it's doing something. What is the problem? Wait, what was it? Resource file not found. I always do this. I always do this. Always, 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 always. I always forget to set the resource path instead of the sprite itself. Nothing yet. I think that, yeah, I have to move this over a little bit. And probably shrink it. Because like it seems to be way too big. Right, okay. Let's make this a little smaller. This is like huge. Let's move it over. Like that. That's fine. And this might just be too big. Uh, 300 might be too big. Let's make it like, I don't know. 250? That should be easy enough, right? 200. Is it too small? Let's make the contents be a 4x4. Yeah, 4x4 sounds good. Let's actually add stuff to the party. So 2, 4. So let's make 4 rows of this. There. There we go. Okay, good. Clicky. And nothing's happening. I have to figure out what that is. Yeah, I'm clicking this and nothing's happening. I wonder why. Let's check. So when I click an item up here, correct? When it's pressed, show item info at that index. Okay, we'll need to figure out if this is actually being called or not, and if it's being called, what is happening on that. No need for that. Oops. Wait. So it is calling that. Okay, so why isn't it working? Oh. I'm silly. I forgot the most important part. I need to actually activate the thing, the whole menu. So info container visible is true, because I wasn't setting that, so that's why nothing was happening. There we go. Damage 1 to 3. So if I tell this person, oh, actually this is incorrect. I'm not setting... Okay, but okay. Let's fix that first. Because that is important. Character menu. Here we go. The button for the weapon, yeah, icon needs to be weapon sprite. There we go. There we go. Okay, now it's good. So if I click equip sword, it's now a sword. Okay, it's not updating here. It really should be, because like I need to make like a signal when a character equips an item. It should propagate to everything that, you know, depends on that weapon being shown anywhere. Because like if I close and open it again, like it's good. Like it so it did change correctly. Let's change it back to a bow. Oh, and the bow is here, so that's good. So I can just equip the bow again. And if I do this, she has a test bow. Yeah, I need to refresh everything. I need to refresh all of this once I change something about it. I need to change the UI. I need to be careful with that. But okay, let's make the ultimate test. Let's put her on a sword. And she has a sword. So character 0 should now be melee. Let's go into combat and see what happens. Character 0, of course, is the last one to act because, you know, RNG hates me. I don't care, just attack, whatever. Okay. She has a sword here, so that's good. This one is still ranged. Good. But you should be melee now. Yes, and she is. Perfect. Okay. It's like this is working. it looks like it's barely holding itself together, but it's actually getting somewhere. So yeah, she is now melee. We've changed her weapon and she is good. Okay. And she deals damage. She actually dealt 2 damage. Let's go. Yeah, but sometimes this looks like it's barely holding itself together, but then, you know, stuff starts getting added and things actually look decent. Just for a little while. Let's see if we can win this. We have a bunch of melee weapon people now, so should be good. Okay, good. Oh, and you didn't die. Look at you. Let's move over here. Oh, you guys can't reach. That sucks. Oh, but you go again. Perfect. Let's go. Get him. No! She was dealt too much damage and she died. Horrifying. Absolutely horrifying. Would you just... Okay. Jesus. Oh, it's her. Okay. Hey, okay, there we go. So yeah, things are good. I do need to, yeah, our people are like, this one's knocked out for sure. Like, that's another thing I have to do. Like, this menu is supposed to, like,
show the stats of the character. So like if she's knocked down, I need to show her in a knocked down state. It's like belly up or something. I don't know. We'll we'll manage to get something like that. Not sure when that's going to be, because like there's like everything to do. There's all the stuff to do, but you know, it's a thing. It's cool. It's... But she is still with the sword, and we can still come up here and like tell her to like use something else. It doesn't change immediately, so that kind of sucks, but if we open the menu again, she has the thing. Okay, good. Like, we'll need a very robust system for this, like the whole changing weaponry and all. Because like all these UIs need to update accordingly. Yeah. Give me a sec. I need to check something real quick. There we go. Sorry about that. Talking about delicious code, getting hungry myself. Time for munchies. Yes, go get those munchies. You get all those munchies. Don't discard your eating. You need those munchies to live. Yeah, I guess I'll just do something like this. Okay, we'll need to set up like a signal for that. Not exactly a signal, it can be just a regular event. It doesn't need to be a signal. But yeah, every time a character changes their equipment, I need to be able to know. Because otherwise, all of this is going to look like real sad. Okay, let's begin with that. So, let's begin with the most obvious thing first. If we like equip something, where is it? Equip item, here we go. So if we equip something, we need to trigger a change. We need to we need to update the whole inventory. To do that, so let's do something. Over here on character, weapon equipped. And we are going we're going to provide the 2 weapons that it has equipped. Just so we can catch this, and like if there was a change, we can actually do something about it. So weapon is no longer going to be like just a variable. It's going to be a property, because it's not even going to be a property. Well, it is going to be a property, but we'll need to make it a little more, and we need to do this for other stuff too, but weapon, and we're gonna make this a set, and get is just going to be return weapon. We'll need a prep weapon. There, and this is what's coming down here. There we go. So we'll just return the weapon on the get. On the set, it's going to be a little different. So we'll need a old weapon. The weapon itself is going to be the value that we set it to, but then we invoke the weapon changed thing. There. Event handler, because this is the event handler, right? I always forget. Event handler. There we go. So we just oh crap, where'd it go? Here it is. So weapon changed, invoke with with weapon and old weapon. There we go. Because that way we can tell like what it changed to, or what it changed from, basically. Cool. So now all we need to do is register to this event. Right here. So all of these menus, but let's begin with the party inventory one. When we enter, what we need to do, selected character, weapon changed. Character, weapon changed. And when we do that, we need to call this again. So like, let's just put, let's make this a method. Let's call this draw inventory slots. There we go. There. So if we change inventory, we draw the inventory slots again, because like the inventory could have changed. Like something happened. So we'll just draw the inventory slots again. Now, let's see if this works. I don't know. It should work, but there might be some intricacies I'm not keen on right now. But we'll just get that checked and we'll see. So let's change to the sword. And it's done. Like, it is equipped. This also needs to disappear. This whole thing needs to disappear. All of it. Okay. One last thing we need to do is when we exit this state, we need to unregister this. Like that. Now, all we need to do is do this for everything else. Oh, also, draw inventory slots and hide the item info because we've just equipped it, so no need for that. Right. Also, this is false, not true. There we go. Let's see. But yeah, we'll need to do this for the other two elements of the screen. But yeah, because like this one needs to update and the other one in the back also needs to update. They all need to update when we change. So let's change to a bow. Correct? Yes. Okay. There. Yeah, we just need these to change as well. So let's do that. Should be easy enough. So the party menu. No, let's make the character menu first. So when we exit, we do this. But when we enter, we do this. And that means that we need to do this. We need to extract this method, call it like update weapon. And we'll actually call this when the weapon changes. And that should be it. So let's see if that's correct. If I'm not missing anything. So, change to a bow. There we go. So everything is getting updated now. Only one that's not updating is over here in the back. So this one still says he's wearing a sword, even though if I change to a bow, it still says test sword. So we gotta fix that. So that's the last one we'll need to fix. So over here on the party menu, party menu is going to be a little different, actually. We're going to make this a little different. So on enter, when we actually populate the character, yeah. So for weapon changed. Go. And make it a new delegate. Oh, actually, this isn't delegate. I don't think. This needs to be weapon. What is it? I think it's the The new weapon comes first, right? New weapon. Weapon. Hold. Weapon. Okay. What's the problem? There we go. I was missing a little thingy there. Cool. So if that happens, we can just... No, wait a minute. Can I not just say delegate? Is it gonna eat me alive? But then I won't know. Update. Character weapon. Character index. There we go. So we just need to generate this, and what we'll do is pretty easy. We'll just go to character list container, character index, and do this. Little tacky. Right. It needs to be get child, correct. Can't do it like that. And this is going to be... Is it a margin container? I guess it is a margin container. And there it is. Well, of course, I doesn't exist, so we'll need to change those in here. There we go. Hopefully that fixes everything. Okay, he has a sword. Bow. Changed. Good. Perfect. That's exactly what we wanted. So yeah, let's switch other people's weapons and see what happens. Let's make these, and let's make this one a sword fighter. Let's make this one a bow. And we're good. It's updates everywhere. I just need to, like, every time there's a menu. Well, there is something I haven't done yet, which is when we exit this menu, we shouldn't be calling it that anymore. So when we exit, we need to clean this up. I'm not sure. How can I remove a lambda expression from an event though? I never had to do that. Ah, I see. I'd need to create like handlers for all of them. Oof, but that seems like a nightmare. Let's see if someone else says something different. Right, I'd have to like keep them all in like a list. I mean, I could do that. It's not like it's super. I guess I could just do that. What would I call this? Let's just check something first. This is fine, I think. Now I just need to store all of these. This is an action. Okay. So let's make weapon changed actions. Sure, we'll just go with that. Let's go with that. What the? Calm down. Oh no, it's not an action. It's a list of actions. Not like that. There we go. And we just need to do that. There we go. There. So now we will clear this list at the beginning because like makes sense. And now when we create this, we just do that. And then we register this. Right, okay, yeah, I do need to, yeah. Because it's not exactly action, is it? It's a and then that's the thing. And yeah, action does not take two arguments. So yeah, I'll need to weapon changed character dot weapon changed event handler. So yeah, that will do. So now that we've saved this, we can register it on the thing. Seems like really tacky, but I'll check in later if this is like the best way to do this. For now, so long as it works, I'm okay with that. Well, not very okay with that, but I'm reasonably okay with that. Because now, yeah, here I can just go. Where is it? Ah, here we go. Then we can just do this. And we unregister them all. Hopefully that unregisters everything. So, we do this. So we save everything here when we do this. We save all of these, like, delegates, these lambdas. And then we unregister them. And hopefully that works. It doesn't crash and burn everything. Let's find out. Ooh, okay. Calm down. What's the problem? Index must be less? What are you talking about? Oh, yeah. What am I saying? This is an add. Add this. Okay. Weird, but sure. Yeah, so this is what we need. We need to add it so we can remove it afterwards. Not remove it, but access it, pretty much. Okay. Let's change to melee. No errors. Cool. Hopefully there's no silent errors over there that just, like, I don't know, crash and burn everything. That would be bad. That would be very, very bad. Ooh. Okay. So yeah, I think this is gonna be it for today, everybody. I don't see myself like doing a lot more in the allotted time I have. Plus, I'm on a timer because I have some stuff to do in like a few minutes. But yeah, we did some good stuff today. Some progress, got some stuff done. So yeah, we did good today. We did good. Like, eventually in the weekend, I'll go through all the UI stuff, see how I can better this thing, because like there's a lot of stuff here that still needs work. But yeah, like doing progress. Like things are happening. It almost looks like a game sometimes, and I'm kind of happy about that. We'll see. We'll see where this leads us. But yeah, that is very, very cool. So yeah, I just noticed that Thornity is streaming, so I am going to raid him. But yeah, before I do that, thank you so much for being here, everybody. Thank you so much for keeping me company and like helping me through this, especially to Captain Fubar, who like is like patiently helping me through all of this that I'm still fumbling around. So thank you. Yeah, thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for keeping me company. And I will see you on Tuesday, because I probably won't be here on Monday. Mondays are like a no-go. So yeah, Mondays are off. I'll be working, but it's sporadic, so Monday is a little harder to stream. So yeah, Tuesday it is. I will be back on Tuesday. I hope you have a great weekend. And yeah, I hope to see you on Tuesday again. Hopefully you'll all be there, and we can keep on this like journey of like fumbling through UI and try not to die of boredom or something. I don't know. Okay, last time. Thank you so much, everybody. I will leave you with Thornity, because I believe he's just finished doing the Pirate Jam game jam. Pirate Software's game jam. So yeah, I'll leave you with him. And yeah, let's raid him. Yeah, okay, it's preparing. So yeah, thank you so much, everybody. See you on Tuesday. Love you all. And yeah, we'll keep on our adventures next week. Hopefully a little bit, more advanced this time. But yeah. Bye, everybody. Have a nice weekend. And let's raid! Go!